in summary, today's date is what?
11 today is 11.
So I believe that by 11th of June, the annotated review should be raised.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes.
So what I like in this life is that tomorrow if I see you sign, say yes, this is my student, the student passed through me. I would like to go somewhere tomorrow because in this our public service we can be anywhere. I've once gotten a call from a company where one of my students applies for a job. I got the contact for them to verify if the student really graduates for FUTO, how is the student's behavior, is it this and that. Both foreign and local have received such calls. So I would like tomorrow to receive a call that is this your student will mess up with this or that. It will be an embarrassment. But if I see you shining with research, development and innovation, I will be proud that this student passed through me. And training a child is not easy. When you are training a child, it's difficult because the child will not love that training. Because life, I was once told by one of my mentors and spiritual directors that whatever you are doing, and that is going so easy, look at yourself, their debts, what they call, their lifespan will be coming shorter. That is no challenge, no this. It may be that you shorter time